Come on down. Come on in here. Hi, everybody. All right, so we have a lot of oaks today. We have other things too, but there's sort of an oak lab today. Now, is it a red oak or a white oak? That's a good question. Today is Dendrology lab, which is basically tree identification. And so every lab is outdoors, about half on campus, and we actually get to head out to Pandapis Pond and Montgomery County Parks. And it's a foundational course. The analogy I always use, like for medical doctors, it's kind of human anatomy. So wildlife students, the forestry students, broad range in the college all take this, so they know what they're looking at in the field, whether they're doing a inventory for timber, because certain species are valuable and certain aren't, or sometimes they're doing what's called a wildlife habitat evaluation. And of course the species are important for that as well, because they like to nest in certain trees and they like to eat certain trees. So they're all basically learning what are all the trees out there. Yeah, this is a type of white oak. There's twigs that are green that are going to get purple. There's buds that are green that are going to get red. Some will be reddish green. You get really weird things. They're red and green twigs. And you know, the red color is always in the sunlit position. The shaded side's green, sunny side's red. It's known as being pretty difficult. It's a lot of information. You got to critically think. You can't memorize your way through this. I call it a love-hate thing. Yeah, they love it, but they hate it because it's hard.